Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs and seasoned sellers. Dream of running your own business and watching profits roll in? Dive into buying from AliExpress and selling on Amazon. AliExpress connects you with manufacturers at low prices. Amazon offers a massive platform with eager buyers. Bridge these platforms to unlock profit potential. Get ready to unlock a world of opportunity. Let's start by exploring AliExpress. Imagine a digital marketplace teeming with millions of products, from electronics and fashion to home goods, all at competitive prices. That's AliExpress in a nutshell. Think of AliExpress as a direct line to manufacturers in China. This means lower costs and higher profit margins. AliExpress offers more than just affordability. Its biggest draw is its sheer variety. You can find virtually anything, often with multiple suppliers. This competition drives prices down and offers competitive shipping. Navigating AliExpress is user-friendly. It features a robust search function and buyer protection. Explore and discover a treasure trove of products. Now that you're familiar with AliExpress's potential, let's dive into product selection, a crucial step in your e-commerce journey. Identify products with high demand on Amazon but lower costs on AliExpress. Start by exploring Amazon's best-selling categories. Then, search for similar items on AliExpress. Compare prices, shipping costs, and minimum order quantities. Aim for a significant price difference to ensure a healthy profit margin. Section 4. From AliExpress to Amazon. Listing your products for success. Congratulations, you've found the perfect product on AliExpress, negotiated a great price with a reputable supplier, and your inventory has arrived at your doorstep. Now it's time to introduce your product to the Amazon marketplace. Creating compelling product listings is crucial for attracting customers and driving sales. Start by crafting a concise and informative product title that includes relevant keywords. High-quality product images are non-negotiable. Showcase your product from different angles, highlight its features, and use professional lighting. Next, write a detailed product description that answers potential customer questions and highlights the benefits of your product. Focus on the value proposition. How will your product solve a problem or improve the customer's life? Finally, set a competitive price that considers your costs, desired profit margin, and the pricing of similar products on Amazon. Remember, striking the right balance between value and profitability is key. Section 5. Marketing and beyond reaching your target audience. With your product listed on Amazon, it's time to shift gears to marketing and promotion. The good news is that Amazon offers a powerful suite of advertising tools to help you reach your target audience. Sponsored product ads are a great way to boost visibility and drive traffic to your listings. These ads appear within Amazon's search results and product detail pages, placing your product directly in front of potential buyers. Consider running promotions and discounts, especially when launching a new product. These tactics can help you gain traction, attract early customers, and generate positive reviews, which are crucial for building trust and credibility on Amazon. Beyond Amazon's internal marketing tools, explore social media marketing, influencer outreach, and content marketing to create buzz around your brand and products. Remember, building a loyal customer base takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Section 6 Conclusion. Embark on your e-commerce adventure. The world of e-commerce, with its low barrier to entry and vast potential, beckons entrepreneurs and dreamers alike. By tapping into the power of AliExpress and Amazon, you can unlock a world of opportunity and build a thriving online business. Remember, success in e-commerce requires dedication, research, and a willingness to adapt. Stay informed about market trends, experiment with different products and marketing strategies, and never stop learning. The journey from sourcing products on AliExpress to selling them on Amazon might seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance and a healthy dose of entrepreneurial spirit, you can turn your e-commerce dreams into a profitable reality. So take the leap, explore the possibilities, and embark on your exciting adventure in the world of online retail.